Hello, I'm Michael, the General Manager of ZY Caraok. Today, I will introduce to you a classical model in the EV charging station industry. It is MC. MC is the earliest portable DC EV charging station of ZY Caraok. It is movable. You can carry it with you, such as put in the trunk of your electric vehicle. Its power from 7 kV to 60 kV, and it supports CCS1, CCS2, ChAdeMo, GBT. Because of its small size, lightweight, obvious price competitiveness, also with DC fast charging speed and ease of use. These advantages combined have earned MC a good reputation in many European countries, as well as the Middle East, India, and other Southeast Asian regions. It can be quickly charged as soon as it is powered on, so it is favored by the lightweight charging pile market. MC has 3 charging methods, very easy to use. The first is plug and charge, the second is password charging, and the third is book charging. ZY Caraok, new energy EV charging pioneer, leading the new technology trend in EV charging industry. Your satisfaction is always our greatest pursuit.